What's going on, y'all? My Crocs came in the mail, as well as my charm. It's crazy how my Crocs and charm just came in at the same time. It was crazy, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know my outtake on it, input on it, whatever you want to call it. They're comfortable. They're decent. They're decent look. I'm gonna get into the particulars of why I didn't really want to purchase it in the beginning, but just stay tuned and watch the video. It's only a minute long, not too long. When I first heard about this, my friend Win Wavy told me about these. When I seen it, I was like, nah, they ain't my style. They look too girly for me. And then recently I did more research on it, and I found out that you could put charms on it, Charms make it look more manly because you could decorate it. Like, for example, I put chess on it. Now I could put the NBA teams. I'm thinking about getting the Brooklyn Nets logo or whatever the case may be, and putting it on there. A whole bunch of manly things, which I consider manly, and it fits my characteristics as well. So, the Crocs, it looks decent right now, especially the right side. The left side look a little bit, it ain't my style really how it looks right now, but we gonna get to it, man. All right, y'all. Consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell notification.